Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this labubu from Pop Mart. This Pin for Love, the Monsters, vinyl plush pendant box, N to Z series. All right, let's get the secret. Never had a labubu before. All right, let's get into it. Which one? What did we get? Comes in a nice bag. Pin for Love. Oh, sorry. All right. Wow. Cool. Which was this one? Nice orange yellow color. Let's see. Sticker. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you are doing well. We'll have more of these unboxings coming soon. All right, everyone. Later.